Have you ever wondered how to install Greenbone OpenVAS on Proxmox Ubuntu? Well, you're about to embark on a journey to mastering one of the most versatile tools in IT security. Greenbone OpenVAS, an open-source vulnerability assessment system, is your secret weapon for safeguarding your IT infrastructure. It scans your systems, identifies vulnerabilities, and provides you with detailed reports, so you can mitigate risks before they become threats. On the other side of the coin, we have Proxmox Ubuntu. This is a virtualization platform that allows you to create and manage virtual machines with ease. Combining these two powerhouses, you get a comprehensive, robust, and cost-effective solution for your IT security needs. The benefits of using Greenbone OpenVAS are numerous. It's open source, highly customizable, and above all, it's proactive in nature. It doesn't just react to threats, it helps you prevent them. Today we'll guide you through the process of installing Greenbone OpenVAS on Proxmox Ubuntu. So buckle up and let's get started. Before we start, there are a few prerequisites you need to fulfill. To ensure a smooth installation of Greenbone or OpenVAS on Proxmox Ubuntu, we need to tick off a couple of things. Firstly, your system should meet the minimum hardware requirements. That means at least a dual-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and a minimum of 20 GB of disk space. Without these, the software may not perform optimally, or it could even fail to install altogether. Next up is the operating system. You need to have a Proxmox Ubuntu system ready to go. This is crucial because Greenbone and OpenVAS are specifically designed to run on this platform. So if you're using another operating system, you might want to switch over. And lastly, you're going to need an active internet connection. This is because the installation process involves downloading necessary components from the web. Once you've ensured all prerequisites are met, we can begin the installation process. Now let's dive into the installation process of Greenbone OpenVAS. The first step to installing Greenbone OpenVAS is to update your Proxmox Ubuntu system. This is crucial to ensure that all your software packages are up to date, providing a smooth and seamless installation process. To do this, you'll need to run the sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade commands in your terminal. Once your system is updated, the next step is to install the necessary software dependencies. These dependencies are essential for Greenbone OpenVAS to function correctly. This includes tools like Build Essential, Bison, Flex, libxbadev, and others. You can install these dependencies using the sudo apt install command followed by the names of the dependencies. With the dependencies installed, we can now proceed to download and install Greenbone/OpenVAS. You can do this by cloning the Greenbone/OpenVAS repository from GitHub using the git clone command. This will download the necessary files onto your system. Now we're ready to compile and install Greenbone OpenVAS. This involves running a series of commands in your terminal. These commands will build the software from the downloaded files and install it onto your system. It's important to note that each command must be run in the order specified, as each step builds upon the previous one. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to configure the Greenbone Security Assistant, or GSA. This is the web interface that you'll use to manage your Greenbone/OpenVAS installation. You can configure the GSA by running the sudo gvm setup command in your terminal. This command will set up the GSA with default settings, which you can change later if necessary. Finally, you'll need to start the Greenbone OpenVAS services. This can be done by running the sudo gvm start command in your terminal. This command will start all the necessary services for Greenbone/OpenVAS to function. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Greenbone OpenVAS on your Proxmox Ubuntu system. By following these steps, you should now have Greenbone OpenVAS installed on your Proxmox Ubuntu system. With the installation complete, it's time to configure Greenbone OpenVAS. Let's start off by understanding that configuration is an essential step to ensure that your Greenbone OpenVAS operates optimally. The process is straightforward, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to get your system up and running. First, it's important to update the Network Vulnerability Tests, NVTs. Greenbone OpenVAS uses these tests to check for security vulnerabilities in your system. To update the NVTs, you'll need to run the Greenbone NVT sync command. This command ensures that your system is equipped with the latest tests to identify any potential security risks. Next, you'll need to update the Security Content Automation Protocol, a SCAP, data. SCAP is a method used to maintain the security of a system or network. Updating the SCAP data is as simple as running the Greenbone SCAP data sync command. Likewise, the Common Vulnerability Exposure, CVE data, should also be updated. CVE is a list of publicly known cybersecurity vulnerabilities. You can update the CVE data by running the Greenbone cert data sync command. Now that we've updated the necessary data, it's time to start the OpenVAS service. You can do this by running the systemctl start OpenVAS scanner and systemactl start OpenVAS manager commands. These commands will ensure that the scanner and manager services are running smoothly. Lastly, it's critical to rebuild the NVT cache. This ensures that your system can quickly access the updated NVTs. To rebuild the cache, you'll need to run the OpenVASmd rebuild command. In just a few steps, you've managed to configure your Greenbone OpenVAS on Proxmox Ubuntu. It's that straightforward. Remember, regular updates and checks are essential to maintain the security of your system. Now you have a fully configured Greenbone OpenVAS on your Proxmox Ubuntu. Don't let the simplicity fool you. This powerful tool is now ready to protect your system from potential threats. Now that we have Greenbone OpenVAS installed and configured, let's learn how to use it. After setting up Greenbone OpenVAS, you'll find it to be a highly intuitive tool. One of the primary operations you'll likely perform is running a vulnerability scan. This process allows you to identify potential weaknesses in your IT infrastructure. To begin a scan, you'll need to create a new task. This task will specify what you want to scan and how you want the scan to be conducted. Once you've defined your task, you can kick off the scan with a simple click. Greenbone OpenVAS will then go to work, analyzing your specified targets for any potential vulnerabilities. As the scan progresses, Greenbone OpenVAS will provide real-time updates. This allows you to monitor the scan's progress and see any vulnerabilities as they're detected. When the scan is complete, you'll be presented with a comprehensive report. This report will detail all the vulnerabilities that have been found, providing information such as the severity of each vulnerability, the affected systems, and potential solutions to rectify the issue. Interpreting these results is straightforward with Greenbone OpenVAS. The vulnerabilities are color-coded based on their severity, making it easy to prioritize which issues to tackle first. For each vulnerability, Greenbone OpenVAS also provides a detailed description and remediation advice. This ensures you understand the issue and know exactly how to address it. Moreover, with Greenbone OpenVAS, you can schedule regular scans to ensure ongoing security. You can define the frequency of these scans based on your organization's needs, ensuring your systems are constantly monitored for potential vulnerabilities. This is just a glimpse into the capabilities of Greenbone OpenVAS. As you delve deeper, you'll discover many more features and operations that can further enhance your IT security. With these steps, you can start using Greenbone OpenVAS to enhance your IT security. We've covered a lot today, so let's recap. First off, we explored the world of Greenbone OpenVAS and Proxmox Ubuntu. We took a deep dive into understanding what they are, their functionalities, and the benefits they bring to the table. Greenbone OpenVAS, being an open-source vulnerability scanner and manager, offers a comprehensive solution for IT security. It provides a robust and versatile platform that allows for scanning, vulnerability management, and report generation. Coupled with Proxmox Ubuntu, we have a powerful toolset that aids in managing and maintaining IT systems efficiently. Next, we navigated through the prerequisites for installation. This involved ensuring the Proxmox Ubuntu system meets the necessary requirements for a smooth installation process. We talked about the importance of having an updated system and the necessary hardware specifications. Then, we moved on to the installation of Greenbone/OpenVAS. We walked through a step-by-step guide on how to install this tool, emphasizing that Despite seeming complex, the process is quite straightforward when broken down into manageable steps. Afterward, we discussed how to configure Greenbone OpenVAS. We outlined how to set up and tweak the system to your specific needs. This stage is crucial as it allows you to tailor the tool to best fit your unique IT environment, highlighting the flexibility of this open-source software. Finally, we delved into using Greenbone OpenVAS. We explored how to conduct vulnerability scans and manage the results, and we also covered how to generate and interpret reports. The ease of use and user-friendly interface of Greenbone OpenVAS makes it an accessible tool for IT professionals of all levels. With Greenbone OpenVAS installed on your Proxmox Ubuntu, you're now better equipped to handle IT security. Remember, the key to good IT security is vigilance and regular updates. Stay safe out there.